Yeah, we welcome you back to our channel, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel with me, Richard, here. Yes, today we are looking at this question. It says that igneous rock is formed when magma cools down. Are the properties of igneous rock formed is determined by three factors. The first one is where it is formed. The second one is how quickly it's formed. And the third one is how much gas is trapped. And the question comes, it says that what's the name given to igneous rock formed on the surface of the earth? Yes. What do we call it? We call it extrusive rock or volcanic rock. Yeah. Then we come to this question. It says that what's the name given to the igneous rock formed under the surface of the earth? What do we call it? We call it intrusive rock. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that describe the texture of the igneous rock formed when magma cools quickly. Yeah, when magma cools quickly, what texture is formed? The texture is fine grained with small crystals. Yeah, then we come to this case. It says that describe the texture of igneous rock formed when magma cools slowly. Yeah, when magma cools slowly, what kind of texture is formed? The texture is coarse grained texture with big crystals. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that describe the texture of the igneous rock formed when magma cools down very fast, trapping a lot of gases. Yeah, what kind of texture is formed when magma cools down so fast and it traps a lot of gases? The texture will have a lot of cavities and openings. It will be like when you bake bread and you put a lot of baking powder. So it will have too much openings and cavities. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, then we come to this case. It says the examples of igneous rock are basalt, granite, and pumice. Basalt is the most common igneous rock. It is dark colored, making up a large part of rocks just underneath the surface of the earth. And most oceanic crust is basalt rock as well. Yeah, basalt is actually the most common rock on earth. And the question comes and says, name two other places apart from earth where basalt is found. Okay. Yes. One is planet Mars. Yes. Planet Mars has basalt. Another place is Moon. Moon also has several places of basalt. Then we come to this one. It says that give any application of basalt. Yeah, where do we apply basalt? We apply it as a building material, especially in the construction of stone walls. Yeah, then we come to this case. It says that granite is an igneous rock with large grains, formed from magma, which slowly crystallize below the surface of the earth. Okay? And then the question comes, name two uses of granite. Okay? Where do we use granite? Granite can be used as tabletop. Okay? It can also be used as paving stone. And also can be used as floor tiles. Yeah, and now we come to this case. It says that pumice rock is an example of extrusive igneous rock formed from lava released during volcanic explosion. On the surface of the earth, the lava cools very quickly, trapping a lot of gases. And then the question comes, describe the texture of pumice attained from trapping a lot of air during rapid cooling. Yes, what results from trapping a lot of air during rapid cooling? It makes the rock to be porous and less dense. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, the rock is porous and less dense. This is a point to take home. Pumice is the only rock which floats on water. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that give two applications of pumice or pumice rock. Yes, where do we apply pumice rock? First, it is used as lightweight concrete. Two, it used as an abrasive in industries and at home. An abrasive is a substance which is required to scratch or rub another substance. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that give any reasons why it is important to study rocks. Yeah, why is it important to study rocks? Okay, the first reason is that rocks contain water. minerals, and fossil fuels. So studying rocks helps us to locate them because these are very important materials we need in our lives. Yeah, then we come to this one. Another use is that rocks hold a lot of facts about the history of the earth. So studying rocks helps us to unlock and understand the history of the earth. Yeah, then lastly, studying rocks helps us to predict natural hazards like volcanic eruption, landslides, earthquakes. Yeah, all these secrets are hidden in the rocks. So the behavior of rocks can help us to understand when and how these things are bound to happen. Yeah, yeah, that's that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9 with me, Richard, here. Yeah, we urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. See you next time. Bye bye.